Hey there, Holistic Living family. Welcome back to the channel where we explore simple ways to transform your life naturally. Today I'm sharing something that completely changed my life, and it might change yours too: adopting a plant-based diet. Stay with me for the next 6 minutes as I share personal insights, fascinating statistics, science-backed tips, and my top 5 plant-based foods that you can start eating today. Let's dive right in. Bonus alert! As a special treat, check out the description below for our exclusive Herbs for Health guide, featuring the best herbal remedies to supercharge your wellness journey. Don't miss this amazing offer to explore nature's most powerful healing herbs. A few years ago, I was stuck. I felt tired all the time, struggled with my weight, and couldn't shake that post-meal sluggishness. Sound familiar? Then I came across a life-changing stat. Did you know that people who follow a plant-based diet have up to 32% lower risk of heart disease and lower BMI levels than those who don't? That's when I thought, why not give it a try? What started as a 2-week experiment became a permanent lifestyle shift that's given me more energy, mental clarity, and overall joy than I ever imagined. Let me show you how it works. Stick with me as in the end of this video, I will suggest top 5 plant-based foods that are delicious, versatile, and incredibly good for you. So, what makes a plant-based diet so powerful? Let's break it down scientifically. 1. Nutrient density. Plants are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients fuel your body and improve your overall health. 2. Fiber power. Studies show that fiber, only found in plants, improves gut health, lowers cholesterol, and helps with weight management. Fact alert: the average person only eats about 15 grams of fiber a day, but plant-based eaters often exceed the recommended 25 to 30 grams easily. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Plant-based foods are naturally anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce risks of chronic diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and even depression. Here's how a plant-based diet worked for me. Within days, I felt lighter and more energetic. No more post-meal naps. Over 6 months, I lost 15 pounds without calorie counting. It's all about eating nutrient-rich foods that keep you full and satisfied. I used to deal with bloating all the time, but with all the fiber and probiotics from fermented plant-based foods, my gut is happier than ever. Okay, let's talk tips. If you're curious about going plant-based, here's how you can ease into it without feeling overwhelmed. Try swapping your breakfast for a smoothie bowl or oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. Dedicate 1 day a week to going meat-free. Build meals around beans, lentils, and whole grains. The internet is loaded with plant-based recipes. My personal favorite, chickpea curry. It's hearty, flavorful, and packed with protein. Stock up on nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits for healthy snacking. If you're wondering where to start, here are my top 5 plant-based foods that are delicious, versatile, and incredibly good for you, packed with iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients that's perfect for smoothies, salads, or sautéed dishes. These little legumes are rich in protein and fiber. Roast them for a crunchy snack or use them to make creamy hummus. Healthy fats. Check vitamins. Check avocados are a great addition to toast, salads, or smoothies to keep you feeling full and satisfied. A gluten-free grain that's high in protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. Use it as a base for bowls or side dishes. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these are antioxidant-packed fruits that are perfect for snacking or adding to oatmeal and smoothies. Adopting a plant-based diet isn't just about personal health, it's also about the planet. Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can reduce your carbon footprint by up to 73%? Every meal choice we make is a step toward a healthier future for ourselves and the earth. It's a win-win situation. Are you ready to take the first step toward a healthier, happier you? Trust me, it's easier than you think. Comment below and tell me, what's one plant-based food you're excited to try this week? If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Holistic Living, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next transformative topic. Until next time, remember, small changes lead to big transformations. You've got this.